In this video, I'll guide you on how to change diagnostics data to full in Windows 11 using services. Press Windows key on your keyboard and type Services. Right-click on the Services app from the search results. Select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Search for Connected User Experiences and Telemetry Services from the list. Right-click on Connected User Experiences and Telemetry Service and select Properties from the menu as shown below. Select Automatic from the Startup Type drop-down list and click Start button as shown below. Click Apply and OK to make changes. Now you can see that the Connected User Experiences and Telemetry Service has started, and then close the Services window. Press Windows plus I keys together on your keyboard to open Settings app directly. Go to Privacy and Security on the left side of the Settings app. Then click Diagnostic and Feedback on the right side of the window after scrolling down. Then click Diagnostic and Feedback on the right side of the window after scrolling down. Close the Settings window. Press Windows key on your keyboard and type Services. Type Regedit in the Run box and hit the Enter key. Copy and paste the following path in the address bar. OH key, Local Machine Software M. Microsoft and Windows. Look for Windows Mitigation Registry. Key under Windows key. If the Windows Mitigation key is missing, then create a new key under Windows Registry key by right-clicking on it. Then select New Key from the context menu as shown below. Create a DWORD value by right-clicking on Windows Mitigation Registry key and selecting New DWORD value as shown below. Rename it to User Preference. Double-click on User Preference DWORD value on the right side and enter the value 3 and click OK to make changes. Close the registry editor and restart your system once and check if it is working. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.